it's good we can see the last one.
To the left, you shake it to the right, you do it in the left, you shake it to the right, you do it every country. You got the feeling up in your heart. Folks. Wonderful. Thank you very much. And what we fought against today goes with everything. No more bombs, no more sexism, no more of this old shit from the Tories. Thanks for coming down. Before we go, we want to say a special thanks to anyone. Thanks to the miners. Thanks to the GLC. To everyone from every part of the country who came down to see us, and we know you're out there. Thank you, everyone. Okay, and thank you from Big Country for this t-shirt. God bless the GLC and that, but it still falls down to the same fucking thing. We're still treated like this shit on the front. That's what it falls down now. Look at you. God, aren't you happy? This is what you want.